Join me as I dive into the world of romantic comedies and see if I can prove that Crazy Stupid Love is the most lovable rom-com of all time. Crazy Stupid Love, released in 2011, is a film that has captured the hearts of many with its unique blend of humor, wit, and genuine emotion. The story revolves around Cal Weaver, a man whose marriage has fallen apart, and Jacob Palmer, a smooth-talking bachelor who takes Cal under his wing to teach him how to navigate the dating world. With an all-star cast, including Steve Carell, Ryan Gosling, and Emma Stone, this movie has become a modern classic in the rom-com genre. One of the most significant challenges faced by the characters in the film is the complexities of love and relationships. Cal, played by Steve Carell, is struggling to come to terms with his divorce and find his place in the world again. Jacob, on the other hand, has a seemingly perfect life but is hiding a deep emotional scar. The film beautifully portrays the ups and downs of love, heartbreak, and self-discovery. As we watch these characters navigate their relationships, we're reminded that love is never easy, but it's always worth fighting for. The character of Hannah, played by Emma Stone, brings a fresh and youthful energy to the film. Her journey from a young woman figuring out her life to finding love in unexpected places is both relatable and inspiring. Through her story, we're shown that love can be unpredictable and that sometimes, the best things in life are the ones we least expect. The complexities of human emotions and relationships are expertly woven throughout the narrative, making the film feel authentic and engaging. The film's portrayal of love and relationships also highlights the importance of vulnerability and trust. Jacob's character, in particular, undergoes significant growth as he learns to open up and trust others. This transformation is not only convincing but also deeply moving, as it shows that even the most seemingly confident individuals can be vulnerable and struggling. By exploring these themes, the film offers a nuanced and realistic take on love and relationships. What sets Crazy Stupid Love apart from other rom-coms is its unique blend of humor, emotional depth, and character development. The film's humor is clever and witty, with memorable one-liners and comedic moments that will leave you laughing. At the same time, it tackles complex emotional themes with sensitivity and care, making it a film that resonates with audiences on a deeper level. The chemistry between the leads is undeniable, and their performances bring depth and nuance to the story. The film's character development is another aspect that makes it stand out. Each character is multidimensional and relatable, with their own strengths and weaknesses. The way the characters evolve and grow throughout the film is both convincing and satisfying, making it easy to become invested in their stories. By focusing on character development, the film creates a narrative that feels authentic and engaging. One of the most pivotal moments in the film is when Jacob and Hannah share a romantic dance at the bar. This scene is not only memorable but also showcases the chemistry between the leads. It's a moment that feels both spontaneous and inevitable, capturing the magic of a romantic connection. Another pivotal moment is when Cal finally starts to let go of his past and move on, marking a turning point in his journey towards self-discovery. The film's exploration of love, heartbreak, and self-discovery is both thought-provoking and entertaining. By examining the complexities of human emotions and relationships, the film offers a nuanced and realistic take on love. The characters' journeys are both relatable and inspiring, making the film a joy to watch and reflect on. In conclusion, Crazy Stupid Love is indeed a standout in the rom-com genre, with its unique blend of humor, emotional depth, and character development. The film's exploration of love, heartbreak, and self-discovery is both thought-provoking and entertaining, making it a film that will leave you smiling long after the credits roll. So, what do you think? Do you have a favorite moment from Crazy Stupid Love? Share it with me in the comments below. If you're a fellow rom-com fan, be sure to check out my other reviews and join the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.